Hey guys, Aaron Duncan here with Duncan Brothers. Aaron Duncan here with Duncan Brothers Custom. Justin, off.
That was a little rude.
Yeah, and that's kind of actually what this is about. So we posted a thing where we told everyone the other day that we were essentially going to post a preview of, or a sneak peek, of the car, and we rickrolled them. And rickrolling is a thing you do when you kind of fake out. Hey guys, Aaron Duncan here with Duncan Brothers Customs, and Ricochet, or Trevor, he's dying to see this car, and so are his millions and millions of fans, and I think our dozens and dozens of fans are really wanting to see it before SEMA 2. So I thought I would give you guys just a little sneak peek right now. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Upon reflection, and after some calls from some of our sponsors and a lot of our, I guess you'd say, internet fan base, and Trevor or Ricochet, and a lot of other people getting a hold of me, we realized that it wasn't really in that good of taste. And so we're kind of making this clip to apologize for it. And even more so, you know, I want everyone to know I didn't mean anything by it. And I felt very bad about the whole thing. Quite frankly, it was distasteful and everything else. And so to sort of make up for it, the one thing that we've brought together is the whole time we've been doing this car, we have been filming the process. So from the beginning to the end, we have different shots of the car, and it's kind of formed into, like, I don't know if it'll be 20 minutes, 30 minutes, but a little mini documentary about it. So we have exclusive for all of our fans on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you name it, an exclusive clip right now.
DuncanBrothers.com.
Yeah, DuncanBrothersCustoms.com.
Customs.com.
But we have an exclusive clip right now that will show us after, or it will show the car after it rolled out of paint. So it'll at least give you a visual of kind of what the car is looking like beyond the renderings.
Just to kind of make up for what Aaron did to you.
Yeah, so here's the clip. You know, it's crazy when
that was crazy
when you have something in your head and, you know, you write it down on paper and then you see it like you do there and see it like that and it comes out, and it's a very rewarding feeling.
You're a bad person. A very bad person.